Northwest may be just 11, but she's not shy when it comes to calling out her mom, Kim Kardashian, for her lack of kitchen appearances. In a recent interview, the outspoken daughter playfully reminded her mom that it's been 2 years since she cooked a proper meal, bringing a playful side to their glamorous lifestyle. In the Kardashian household, where luxury and glamour are the norm, it's easy to forget that even the most famous family in the world might have playful banter over something as ordinary as cooking. Northwest, the eldest daughter of Kim Kardashian and Kanye West, did just that in a lighthearted but candid conversation with her mother for Interview magazine. As part of the feature for the magazine's fall 2024 issue, North playfully jabbed at Kim for not being active in the kitchen, claiming that it had been 2 years since Kim last cooked a meal for her. This playful mother-daughter exchange shows that despite their fame and fortune, family dynamics, and even kitchen complaints are as relatable in the Kardashian home as anywhere else. Northwest, ever the confident and vocal 11-year-old, didn't hold back when talking about her mom's cooking skills, or rather, the lack thereof. She humorously pointed out that Kim hadn't cooked for the family in a long time, specifically mentioning the last meal being 2 Halloweens ago. That meal, according to North, was mac and cheese, a classic comfort food that stands in stark contrast to the glamorous image Kim projects. Kim, however, quickly jumped in to defend herself, reminding her daughter that she had also whipped up fried chicken and cornbread on that occasion, humorously calling herself a one-trick pony when it came to her cooking abilities. The playful exchange between North and Kim highlights a side of the Kardashian family that is rarely seen in public, a more down-to-earth, relatable aspect of their lives. While Kim may be a global icon, managing her billion-dollar scheme's empire and navigating her busy life in the spotlight, it appears the kitchen is one place where she doesn't often spend much time. North, with her sharp wit, wasn't afraid to point this out, adding a touch of humor to their interview. North even mentioned how her mom is really good at making a simple snack of cucumbers and salt, further adding to the playful roast. The conversation also shed light on Kim's eating habits, revealing her cravings for indulgent comfort foods, even with her famously fit figure. Kim's former personal chef, Jessie Henderson, had earlier revealed that despite her lean physique, Kim often requested cheat meals like chicken tenders, fries, and pasta with no sauce. He expressed surprise at how straightforward and relatable Kim's cravings were, especially since her public persona often revolves around health and beauty. Henderson shared that the Kardashian kitchen was always stocked with these comfort foods, ready to satisfy Kim's salty cravings, making her more relatable than her glamorous image might suggest. Meanwhile, Northwest continues to step into the spotlight in her own right, gracing the cover of Interview magazine for the fall 2024 issue. In her interview, she spoke not just about her mom's cooking but also touched on more personal topics, including her dislike for school and her faith. With her confidence and natural ability to command attention, it's clear that North is carving out her own place in the limelight, separate from her famous parents. This candid and humorous moment between Northwest and Kim Kardashian offers a refreshing glimpse into the everyday dynamics of the Kardashian family. While Kim may dominate the worlds of fashion and beauty, it's clear that the kitchen isn't her main domain, and North isn't afraid to keep her mom grounded with playful reminders. As North grows up in the public eye, moments like these showcase her emerging personality and the tight-knit bond she shares with her mom, even if it means teasing her about her cooking skills or lack thereof.